Así como estaban muchos.
Alright, this is by Robert Indiana. Love is the statue here. Now this has been relocated because of the structural. Well, here's the back. If you do show up, try to do it during the week or when it's not real busy. You have people taking photos like it's prom, and make sure that the parents let their kids play on it like it's a jungle gym. I can't understand why they would allow someone like kids to climb on an art piece, like to find their cars and just start walking on it. Until next time, this is Resnick's Travels signing off.